Today I asked ChatGPT to give me a fresh, summery spaghetti recipe. And this is what it came up with. I'm going to cook exactly what it told me, and let's see how it turns out. Let's get started.
So add 1 tablespoon of salt into 2 liters of boiling water. Then add 250 grams of spaghetti, or about half of a pack. Cook them for 10 minutes. I moved them a little halfway through cooking to stop sticking. Drain the spaghetti, but don't forget to take 1 tablespoon of the pasta water and put it aside. Half a lemon, squeeze it into the pasta. We don't throw away the lemon peel, we will use it later. Give it a gentle stir and put the lid on and keep to one side. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon of pasta water, grate the zest of half of the lemon and 1 garlic clove. Let's finely chop a small handful of fresh mint and add to the bowl. Now, a bit of salt and black pepper to taste. Mix them well and put it aside. We crush 4 sesame breadsticks. You can also use plain breadsticks and simply add some sesame. After melting 50 grams of butter, add the breadcrumbs. Then add 1 teaspoon of paprika, a bit of fresh mint into the pan. After the breadcrumbs turn golden brown, it's ready. It's time to put everything together. Mix the yogurt sauce with the spaghetti. At this point, I decided to add 1 more tablespoon of yogurt. Sorry ChatGPT, your sauce recipe wasn't quite right for this amount of pasta. And here, another spoon of yogurt goes into the spaghetti. Now it looks good.
It's looking so fresh and creamy. I love how simple this is.
Let's serve it up. These are so crunchy. I'm so excited to try this beauty. It smells good, looks amazing. But how does it taste?
Let me try some. This is so good. It's absolutely one of the best spaghetti I've ever eaten. Well done, ChatGPT. Wow, you have to try this one. Amazing.
If you would like to see me again, please subscribe and give the video a like. Also let me know where you are watching from or just say hello in the comments. See you next time.